In a small town, there was a boy with a burning passion for speed. He always dreamed that one day he would become a real racer. But as he grew older, a cruel lymphoma struck, shattering his unfinished dreams. In the final moments of his life, knowing he didn't have much time left, he had one last simple yet meaningful wish: to hear the roar of engines and see motorcycles ride past his house once more. Hoping to bring a smile to their son's face in his final days, his family posted a heartfelt request on social media, wishing to see 30 riders pass by their home. On the appointed day, the boy sat in his wheelchair outside his house, waiting. He sat there for a long time, as if his last wish might never come true. And then,